So the third option is serial chart. I can make a graph or chart of for example the dead cases or the active cases or the we can say the recovered cases based on country. Let's click on that. Just import a country base layer. Here we have, let's choose the feature. I want to display the list of the countries, so the list of the countries will be displayed here. And what about what information of the countries do you want to display? I want to display, for example, the dead cases. So these are the dead cases for the countries. If you want to display the confirmed cases, you can choose different fields that you want, any field that you want. So for our case, let's choose the dead cases. So as you see, these are the number of the countries, but actually it's not. It doesn't display the list of all countries. So what we can do, we need to, because the data is huge, it cannot display the list of all the countries. We need to insert a scroll bar here. Using the scroll bar here in this category axis, make it on. Now you can see all the countries. Okay, we know that these are the list of the countries. Let's just put a tag here, a text that displays the list of the countries, for example, or the countries. And the y value on the y axis, we have these number. What does it display? What does it mean? It means the number of the people. Let's just write in something here. So here first we write countries, and let's write on here a number of dead cases. Get rid of value axis here. Number of dead or number of dead. Next, I want to display, for example, if you hover over this bar chart, it displays you the name and the dead cases. For example, Brazil, it has this amount of number. And for this one, I want to display the number of dead cases at the top of each chart bar. How can we do that? Go to series and make this one on. Now you see 228,000. Let's give it a name here to display that this is the dead cases, country based dead cases. For example, go to general. Here we have dead cases. For example, country based dead cases. Okay, make it center, make it bold, choose it, make it bold. That's it. Okay, because this is a dead case, let's change the color of the color for our bar chart. Go to series, and here we can change the color. As well as let's make it a little bit stylish. Let's add some styles. I want to change this bar chart to line chart. So go to the series. Here we have the option for that. Line chart. I think this is not a good line chart. So let's choose another one, smoothed line chart. Yeah, I think this is cool. Let's put in some more styles. For example, I want to enlarge a little bit these circles, or put a little bit color here as well beneath the line. And for example, fill opacity. If you increase that one, it will add color beneath the line chart. So I think one is enough. Yeah, one looks nice. And if you want to enlarge the color, the border of the line chart, you can, for example, choose it 0.3. This is the border opacity, and the border thickness, make it thick a little bit. Make it very thick. Now we have the dot with a thick border. So if you're done, you can simply click on the done button. Now it comes to our dashboard. We simply just we need to manage its place, its position. Just click on the drag item. I want to put it here at the bottom of my map. Here we go. Now this looks nice. Just make it a little bit, scroll it to left and scroll it to right. Now we have the countries. Hover over it, displays information about Brazil, Bulgaria, and Burkina Faso. I don't know, Cameroon, Canada. Okay, it looks nice. Just save it. Okay, let me show you another feature of the serial chart. We can insert two categories at the same page. For example, the date cases plus the active cases, or the recovered cases plus the active cases. Simply we can insert two line charts or two bar charts at the same time. So click on that one. Let's choose a country based information. Show me the feature. Okay, show me the country list. I want to display the confirmed cases, and as well as I want to display the recovered cases as well. And choose the scroll bar and give it a name here, for example, countries, and for that one number of what people. This is a number of people both for active and recovered cases. So how to distinguish it? Which one of these are the active and which one of this is the recovered cases? Here we have a solution for that. We can put a legend placement at the bottom. So the orange color displays the confirmed cases, and the greenish one displays represents the recovered cases. It would be nice if we make the recovered cases, for example, a bar chart, and the confirmed cases as a line chart. We can do that. Simply we go to series, and this is a confirmed cases. So let's make the confirmed cases a bar. Okay, and regarding the recovered cases, let's make it a line, a smooth line. Here we go. Let's put some colors, for example, recovered. For the recovered one, let's choose, for example, green. Yeah, green one. And for the confirmed cases, let's make it, for example, yellow. Yeah, where is yellow? Yeah, this is a yellow. That's it. Put some styles. For the recovered, we fill it and fill the opacity. It looks nice. Okay, that's it. Let's put a label here. country based, confirmed and recovered cases. Select all, make it bold, add a center. That's it, done. Where should we put this one? Just simply drag and drop it above this one, above the country based death cases. Here we go. If you didn't like it, just simply go here and delete it. In our case, we delete. We don't need that. If you need it, just put it. Okay, let's go to the delete option and delete it. Here we go. Simply save your dashboard